Hey guys, I'm here with my daughter and we're about to go out with Cape Water Taxi. We're going to go out and do a seal watching trip. We're here in Lewes, Delaware, and Cape Water Taxi runs these seal watching trips every Saturday and Sunday, I think through March. So the seals migrate through here in Delaware. We're really excited. It's a pretty gray, cold day, but we're hoping we're going to see some seals. Come along with us. Out here. Oh, yeah. Oh, my. All right, so we saw seals. I did my best to film. Obviously, I don't have professional camera equipment. I have a Canon PowerShot with like a zoom lens, and the boat was moving the whole time. So I did my best to try to keep the camera steady and show you the seals that we saw. So these seals are visitors from the north. They come here to the Delaware Bay for the winter. We were able to see both harbor and then the gray seals. And what they really like here is there are these inner and outer break walls that contain these lighthouses and all these rocks. And we went out at low tide, and what they do is they haul up on the rocks and you can see them swimming. And low tide here in Lewes, Delaware is really a great time to see all the different seals. So it sounds a little crazy to take a boat trip in the middle of the winter in the cold to go out and see seals, but it is absolutely worth it. We had such a great time with Cape Water tours. My daughter and I just enjoyed it so much. And you just wear lots of layers and you bundle up, and it really is worth it to see these seals. It's such a cool experience. Another really great feature of this boat is that there is an indoor area on the first floor of the boat. So once we were done kind of looking at the seals and we were getting ready to make our way back to the dock, my daughter and I decided that we were just so frozen. We were going to go inside of the downstairs area and get a little warm. And there's a lot of nice windows, so you still have a beautiful view to look out, but yet you can warm up a bit. And that was much appreciated. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. So we just got back from our seal tour. My daughter and I had a great time. We saw a bunch of seals out on the rocks at the breakwater, and it was a really great experience. Thanks for watching.